Today's video I'm gonna start with this wonderful quote. Children are made readers on lap of their parents. So with this wonderful quote, I welcome you all. Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna share some of the DIY phonic worksheets that I have made at home. So let's get started. These worksheets are very easy to make and very helpful for practicing some of the phonic words with 3 to 4-year-old kids at home. All these phonic worksheets are match the picture with their name type of worksheets. And for making the first worksheet, I made the picture from UG family on first column. Such as at first I made the picture of rug. Next I made the picture of bug. And after that I made the picture of mug. And lastly I made the picture of jug. Then on the another column, I simply wrote the names of these pictures randomly. After making all the pictures and after writing all the names of the picture, this is how final worksheet looked. And while finishing this worksheet, kids have to look for a picture and as well as find out the name of that picture, and they have to match the picture to its name. The next worksheet I made from N family. Here on this worksheet, first I made the picture of hen. After that I made the picture of pen. Next I simply made number 10. And lastly I made the picture of men. After that I randomly wrote the names of this picture. Here while writing the name I made the mistake. I wrote 10 two times and I did not write the name pen. And while finishing this worksheet with my daughter, I have realized this mistake and then I corrected this mistake. The third worksheet I have made for practicing some of the words from at family. On this worksheet, first I made the picture of cat. After that I made the picture of hat. Then I decided to make the picture of bat. And lastly I made the picture of mat. And once again on the another column I wrote the names of all these pictures randomly, so that while finishing this worksheet my daughter can see the picture and look for the name of that picture and then simply match the name of the pictures. The fourth worksheet I have made for practicing some of the phonic words from odd family. And on this worksheet, first I made the picture of hot soup. Next I made the picture of pot. After that I simply made some dots. And lastly I made the picture of cot. Once again on the another column I wrote the names of these pictures randomly, so that while finishing this worksheet it will be easy to practice some of the phonic words from odd family. I have also made handwriting worksheets so that we can practice these words one more time. And this will give us another opportunity to go over these words once again. Here I have also added few more words along with the previous word. That's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and also don't forget to leave your comments in a comment section below. See you next time with the next video.